In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link Tradeovate to TradingView. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. With a live Tradeovate account, every account plan includes a free Level 1 CME group market data, along with access to TradingView, Market Replay, and their Order Flow Plus set of tools. If your account is still on an older pricing structure, you can opt in to one of the new account plans at any time. So you can access these features at a slightly higher micro commission rate for free and monthly account plans. To start, to sign up for the TradingView integration, log into the Tradeovate web trader and choose application settings. You will find it at the top right corner of the screen. So it's going to be these three lines here. Once you choose application settings, go to the add-ons category between API access and transfers and payments. When you choose add-ons, one of the options is going to be TradingView. So scroll down to find the TradingView add-on. In here, you will have to choose Buy. As you can see, according to the description, enable TradingView to access your Tradeovate accounts, both live and SIM, to use in conjunction with Tradeovate's install web and mobile versions. No additional auto routing fees apply. A valid subscription is required. Once this add-on is enabled, you will be able to connect your TradingView account to your Tradeovate account with your current Tradeovate username and password. So after you are done buying this add-on for TradingView, now switch over to TradingView, log into the app with your credentials, and once you are logged in, click on the Trading Panel tab at the bottom. In here, you will find Tradeovate. If you don't see it here, refresh the page, but it should appear as long as you are signed into your account and you go to Tradeovate. Once you choose it here, you will input your username and password, connect both accounts together, and as long as you successfully bought the add-on, it is now going to be usable within Tradeovate. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed according to our channel metrics. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.